morning, students. Today we are going to read about chapter 3 computer viruses of class 7 ICSE board. What do you mean by computer virus? Computer, you know that a computer is a device which helps you to do your work. Okay, and virus is a very important topic nowadays because 2020 a new virus came in India, that is a coronavirus, and due to the coronavirus everything is changed. Due to the coronavirus only online classes are going on, right? So virus, as per you, what is a virus? Virus means it is in computer language, it is a software which make your computer damage or not work properly. Okay, it's not allow your computer to work properly. Same way, a virus in human beings also like that only. Coronavirus, what the coronavirus is doing to you? Coronavirus making you slow, making sneezing. Always you are doing, for example, your breathing problems are there like that. So many problems it was doing in your body. Same way, virus in computers also do the same things. What? Virus in computers also do the same things. How means, this is a computer virus chapter. In this, we have collecting part 1. As per part 1, we will read about 4 things. Topics to be covered: virus, symptoms of virus, harm of a computer virus, and about antivirus. 2 parts I will make. First part, these 4 topics we will cover, and afterwards, other 4 parts we will cover. Okay. First, what we knowing about is virus. First topic, what we will cover about virus. What is a virus? Okay, normal words. A virus is a disease for human body. It's also act as a disease for in what? In computer. Means virus in 1999. First I will tell you one story about it. It's given in you. In 1999, so many people have got an email. What? That time emails are very much using, not Facebook and WhatsApp. Maximum emails are using. Okay, in that email they got a message. What message? Important message, like that. Everyone got the same message, important message. Our in human tendency, what we know, important and secret, like this word, we attract towards it. Okay, important messages, they thought that what's the important came, so they opened it. When they opened it, a virus entered in their computer and damage all the interior parts and the softwares of the computer. That virus mainly covered up millions of people in the world. That is the biggest attack of virus in a computer world. Okay, and that virus was named as Melissa. That virus was named as Melissa. You know, see this. What about internet told about Melissa? See. Okay. Then Melissa is a very dangerous virus at that time. Okay. Then next we will read about what is a virus in computer way. Now what we will read about is what is a virus. Okay, we know I have already told about the Melissa virus. It's a very dangerous virus till now. Means it attacks some millions of people in the world. After that, so many people are protected by their own. They are protecting their computer, some antivirus like that using. Then next we will read about a virus. What is a virus? A virus is a molecular software or program that interfere or interact to your computer and damage it. Means एक वायरस एक डिवाइस एक समझ लो एक वायरस कुछ चीज है जो कि तुम्हारे कंप्यूटर के अंदर एंट्री मारता है. जब वो कंप्यूटर के अंदर एंट्री करता है, कंप्यूटर के मैक्सिमम पार्ट्स को वो क्या करता है? डैमेज कर देता है. क्या कर देता है? डैमेज. वायरस हैव द 2 फेज. वायरस अटैक्स इन 2 फेज. ओके, वायरस का 2 स्टाइल के एंट्री होते हैं. फर्स्ट वी हैव अ इन्फेक्शन फेज. व्हाट? इन्फेक्शन. सेकंड वन इज attack phase. Okay, first infection phase. In infection, what they are doing, they silently enter in your computer by through any way, by through email or by through any message, by through any call. They entered in your mobile or computer and they started spreading them. Okay, they started making their own army by making one. Means it's always square it. It's always square it. 1 का 2, 2 का 4, 4 का 8, 8 का 10, 12, 16 ऐसे चलता रहेगा. When they completely cover the area of your computer, then they started doing their work. And this infection type phase attack are not able to track. Track means इनको पकड़ना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. इनको पकड़ना क्यों मुश्किल है? क्योंकि ये तब तक कुछ नहीं करते. अगर कोई घर पे किसी चीज का चोरी होगा तभी तो डाउट होगा नहीं कि घर में चोर है. ये कुछ करता ही नहीं, ये चुपचाप बैठा रहता है और अपनी सारी फौज को बड़ा करता रहता है. जैसे ही अपने आप को कवर कर लेता है पूरा, उसके बाद वो धीरे धीरे अपना असर दिखाता है. जब तू नॉर्मली स्कैन करोगे, व्हेन यू आर स्कैनिंग नॉर्मली, इट्स विल नॉट बी फाउंड. After some days or some years, it will be found that you have a virus. It's completely attacked in your computer. Now, second, what type of we have? It's a attack type virus. This virus a little bit naughty one. You can say naughty one. Because how? When they enter in your computer, they start attacking. They don't sit silently. When they enter, they start attacking your memory. They start attacking your files. They will damage your programs like that. Everything they will start. Means by this way you can know that and some virus have entered in my computer. This type of virus first attacks and they are infection type. They will spread. Okay, they will spread. So this is about virus. What is a virus? Virus is a software or a program which makes your computer damage or not working properly. It will do anything. Now we will read about symptoms of virus. What is the symptoms of virus? Now we have learned about what is a virus. And I told you, now we will read about symptoms of virus. What are the symptoms of virus? Symptoms means nishaniya, symbols of the virus. For example, what are the symptoms of a coronavirus? You know, जुकाम होना, खांसी होना, सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होना, headache, different symptoms are there. So many symptoms are there of a coronavirus. Like that, virus also have some symptoms. By this way, you know that there will be some virus in your computer. Anything should be there, but something is there in your computer. After that, you can check your computer. Is it working or not? Is there a virus or not? Then, what are the symptoms of a virus? Means, if there is a virus in your computer, what are the symptoms? First symptom, slows down. Slows down means, these things I have written in short form. In your book, it is given in properly, okay? Slows down means, if your computer slows down, means normally it was taking 1 minute to start. But now it was taking 5 minutes to start. Means something is there problem. Something is there. It was normally, by the normal speed, it slows down. Okay? Then, unknown files are created. Unknown files means you see a file which you have not created at all. मतलब तुम ऐसे फाइल को कंप्यूटर में देख रहे हो जो तुमने कभी बनाया ही नहीं, तुमने उसे कभी कुछ किया ही नहीं, तो वो फाइल आया कहाँ से? मतलब अननोन फाइल है जो कि ना तुमने किया, ना तुम्हारे भाई ने किया, ना तुम्हारे पापा ने किया. No one have entered that or made that file. How that file came in your computer means something is wrong. Then third point, less available memory. Yesterday you have seen your 2 GB was vacant. Means 2 GB आप लोगों का खाली है. आज देख रहे हो 2 MB खाली है. तो 2 GB भरा किसने? ना तो मैंने कुछ डाला, ना तो मेरे भैया ने कुछ डाला. 2 GB खाली था कल और आज मैं देख रहा हूँ सिर्फ 2 MB बचा है. ऐसे कैसे हुआ? Means there is something a problem. Someone is there inside your computer who is taking the space of your computer. मतलब आपका मेमोरी को कवर कर रहा है. वो कौन है? उसको ढूंढना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आप तो नहीं कर रहे, तो कोई ना कोई तो पक्का कर रहा होगा. Next what we have, file become missing. Files are created, unknown files are created. Now files become missing. Means आपने कुछ बनाया था, you have created something, a paint or a Microsoft Word or a PowerPoint or a document, anything you have created and it was missed. Means now it was not showing in your computer. That means your files are missing. How missing? Means I have not deleted, my father have not deleted, my brother have not deleted, that who have deleted that file? No one have deleted, and how it was missing from the computer? Means someone is there inside the computer, any virus is there inside the computer who are doing all this thing. It has eaten that file or maybe damaged that file or maybe have corrupted that one. Now what we have, restart unusual. Restart unusual means while working on a computer or a laptop, unusually means automatically it was going to restart mode. You are not doing restart, you are not shut down also. means आप ना तो उसे बंद कर रहे हैं ना तो उसे रिस्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, तो वो ऑटोमेटिक जो रिस्टार्ट कर दे रहा है उस चीज को हम लोग डाउट कर सकते हैं कि हाँ कुछ अंदर है. Some virus is there inside the computer which makes the computer restart automatically. Okay, means restart अपने आप होने में उसको तंग कर रहा है, तो कुछ तो है कंप्यूटर के अंदर ना. डाउट इन सब चीजों से ही, अगर ये सब में से कुछ भी हो रहा है तो इससे आपको क्या हो सकता है? डाउट हो सकता है. Then next, not working properly. For example, your paint was not working properly. You have selected the pencil but it came brush. You have selected the brush but it came pencil. Means your program or your file is not working properly. That is a one symptoms of a virus. Okay, if it is not working properly. Inaccessible. What? Inaccessible. 7th point, inaccessible. Inaccessible means you have one file, your photo file. For example, 22 Bhavani Patna or 22 Bhubaneswar to any Tirupati like that. That when you opening that file, it was not opening. It was showing that not accessible. मीन्स अगर आप उसे जब खोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं फोटोज देखने के लिए, वो नहीं खुल रहा, वो खुल ही नहीं रहा, वो बता रहा है कि नॉट एक्सेसिबल, ये नहीं खुल सकता वगैरह वगैरह, कुछ भी ऑप्शन दे रहा है, एनीथिंग एक्सेट्रा. दैट मीन्स सम वायरस हैव्स करप्टेड इट, मीन्स किसी वायरस ने उसको खराब कर दिया है, अब वो चीज नहीं खुलेगा, पहले आपको वायरस को साफ करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद ही वो खुलेगा. इनएक्सेसिबल मीन्स नॉट अलाउड टू ओपन द फाइल. Okay, these are the symptoms of virus. After this, we have a harmful effects of a virus in your computer. What are the effects of virus in your computer? Means by that is the same as our symptoms of virus. These are the harm effect. Symptoms only the harmful effect of our computer. What the virus are doing to harm to our computer? The symptoms only. Rate slows down, unknown files are created, less available memory, file become missing, restart unusual, not working properly, inaccessible. These are also a harm, okay, harm to our computer. So your topic that harm to the computer is the same as symptoms of the virus. Only 1 or 2 points are different. You can read it from. Okay. मीन्स इनडायरेक्टली मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ, जो सिम्टम्स होता है वही तो हमें तकलीफ होता है, वही तो हमें तकलीफ पहुंचाता है. जैसे कि कोरोना वायरस का सिम्टम्स क्या है, खांसी और जुकाम, तो वो खांसी और जुकाम हमें तकलीफ ही तो पहुंचा रहा है, वही हमें भी हार्म पहुंचा रहा है और वही हमारे सिम्टम्स भी है. ओके, आफ्टर दिस वी विल रीड अबाउट हार्म कंप्लीटेड. आफ्टर हार्म ऑफ द कंप्यूटर वी विल रीड अबाउट एंटीवायरस. व्हाट एंटीवायरस एंड व्हाट इज एंटीवायरस? ओके, antivirus is a utility software designed to protect your computer from the virus. Means antivirus protect from virus. If you have antivirus in your computer or mobile, it will protect your mobile and computer from the viruses. And how antivirus protect our computer from viruses? Means antivirus act as a medicine. What? Antivirus acts as a medicine. How antivirus act as a medicine means if you have any disease, any problem, any health problem, what you are taking to cure them? You are taking medicines to cure them. Same way, antivirus also cure the virus and remove the virus from your computer. Now, for example, our antivirus is a software. Okay, it's a software. It is made by the human being only. तो antivirus कोई इंसानों ने बनाया है, तो उसमें कुछ लिमिटेड्स है. मतलब nowadays, till 2019. How many viruses are there? Means so many viruses are there. Which type virus, different type of virus, so many different types of viruses are there. This antivirus, one antivirus is there. For example, our Security 360, right? Security 360 degree, right? So this antivirus will give you a 360 security from all the virus till 2019. मीन्स हर वो वायरस से बचाएगा आपको जो 2019 तक आया. बट अगर 2020 में कोई नया वायरस आया, जैसे कि अभी हमारा आया है कोरोना वायरस, वैसे कंप्यूटर में कुछ नया वायरस आया, तो एंटीवायरस जो कंपनीज होते हैं, द कंपनीज हु प्रिपेयर एंटीवायरस, दे विल मॉडिफाइड, वो उसको चेंज करेंगे और उसमें एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज डालेंगे, एक्स्ट्रा मेडिसिन डालेंगे, समझ लो एक टाइप का, जो तुम्हारे नए वायरस से भी लड़ने में हेल्प करेगा. लाइक दैट दे विल प्रोवाइड एन अपडेट. व्हाट अपडेट? They will ask you to update your virus. If you don't update your virus, then new virus may be harmful for your computer. If you update your virus, means your new antivirus is eligible to fight with the new virus. Same way in our life also, 2020 we have a new virus, coronavirus, and for the coronavirus, until the medicine not prepared, antivirus, until the medicine not prepared, you are in danger. If medicine prepared and you are not taking, means you are in danger by your own risk. Okay, means अगर मेडिसिन बन भी गया और आप नहीं लेना चाहते, नहीं इस मेडिसिन में कुछ नहीं होने वाला बोल के, तो वो आपकी गलती है और आप अपने रिस्क खुद लेंगे. Same way now, until now medicines have not prepared, antivirus or vaccine, we can say vaccine is not prepared. Like that only antivirus act as a medicine for the computer. How antivirus do their job? First of all, they will scan the whole computer. What? They will scan the whole computer and search for the viruses and symptoms. If symptoms they found, they will search for the virus, and if virus they found, they can do three things. What? They can do three things. If they have the ability to fix it, then they will fix the virus. What? Fix the virus. They will repair it. If they are not able to repair it, so they will wait for the instruction, so that when they will wait, they will quarantine the virus. What? They will quarantine the file. In which file the virus attacked, that file they will quarantine for some days or some months or some year like that, until the virus have not prepared the way to kill the, until the antivirus have not prepared the way to kill the virus. Okay. If both these things, if this fix, okay, then well and good. If quarantine also and medicine prepared or antivirus have find a way to delete it, then also very good. If this both way not work, then last and the final way, only one thing can be work is you have to delete the file. You have to delete the file. If these both things have not worked, for example, your fixing also not work because antivirus don't know how to fix it. Quarantine also don't know because antivirus are not able to prepare the medicine or way to kill it. Then you have to delete the folder or file in which that virus is attached. God sake, okay, भगवान की कृपा है कि आप लोगों को कोरोना के टाइम में ऐसा नहीं किया जा रहा. फिक्स होता तो फिक्स कर देते. क्वारंटाइन किया जा रहा है, डिलीट नहीं किया जा रहा. अगर कोरोना का मेडिसिन निकलेगा ही नहीं तो क्या डिलीट करना शुरू कर देंगे क्या? एक एक को मारना ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं है ना. इसलिए दिस इज फॉर कंप्यूटर. ओके, एंटीवायरस वर्क्स लाइक दिस. इफ इट इज एबल टू फिक्स इट, इट विल फिक्स इट. If not, then it will quarantine for some time. If after quarantine also it is not able to fix it, then last and final option, delete. Like by this way our antivirus works. And now you know that how antivirus works. So this much for today. In this part we have learned 4 topics: what virus is, symptoms of virus, harm caused by virus, and about the antivirus. And next part we will further read about the chapter. So this much for today. Thank you and have a nice day.